Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for my face. It is, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock at night. I've had makeup on all day, tried to take it off and put it on, and then I gave up because the eyeshadow was going horrendously. So today's video is an announcement, I suppose, if you will. It's for a project pan called Partners-in-Cream Jalapa. See what we did there? So it was set up by myself and DaLin from OutwardProcessing, and I suppose her husband Bo also needs to get some credit. We said that we wanted to use up our cream products, and we said that we would use 3 to 5 products at any given time and have it rolling. So that's what the plan is. And anything cream, so foundations, which is not cream, it's a liquid. So pretty much anything that's not a powder, okay? We're not pushy. The project is for provisionally a year, but it can be as long as you want. You don't have to do 3 to 5 products. You can do whatever you want. And we said we'd call it Partners in Cream. We wrote to a few people on Instagram and kind of to see if anyone wanted to join, and a few people do. So it's starting the 10th of January, and then it'll be the 10th of every month. And Bo, DaLin's husband, is going to have a spreadsheet for us that we're going to link down. So if you guys want to join, you can join, and we'd love for you to join, because you know those cream products that are making you paranoid and you're like, God, don't die on me before I use you. Do not die. And you're trying to find a reason to use it, like this. You see this? This product is just looking at me, being like, I am going to die on you. Like ColourPop eyeshadows, I'm going to use like, you know, like paint pots. Like, look at this. Wouldn't this drive you mad? Look. Come on, what's the excuse on that? Stila glitters, like these things are like, do you ever get a little bit of anxiety, even like, don't die? And like foundations, I'm thinking I'll put foundations in as well. Maybe cream blushes and whatnot, and cream highlighters, cream. Yeah. So we're also going to have a hashtag called #PartnersInCream, and it will be on YouTube and also on Instagram. So if you want to join, please let me know, or DaLin know. I'll link her channel here if you want to go and check her out. I suggest that you do, because she's got lovely content. I also suggest checking out her lipstick roulette series. That's really good. Well, all of them are, but that one's really good. I like that one a lot. So if you watch my channel, you know a little bit of a debate about an eyeshadow palette for panning next year. And you know, I didn't want, like, the cream products are making me anxious, and that's why we kind of decided that we'd like to do it. I think I was watching a video of DaLin's one time, and I wrote under it, and then we kind of came to the, gosh, we should do a project. And then DaLin had a list of hilarious puns. Oh my God, what was it? Cream and punishment. Then we started writing to each other on Instagram, and then we were like, we should invite other people to join because it'd be a bit of fun. We all love a bit of fun when it comes to project panning, don't we? So I hope you join. So these are what I'm thinking. Concealers. I need to get rid of concealers, but like these ones, yes, these are there far too long. Bar this is not. These are old, they need to be used. Foundations, I've dwindled down my collection quite a bit. But like, look at this product, for instance. I've only got these left. Like, look what that does to my inventory. That's gonna come up as 3, you know? And I'm like, come on. So I want to use that. So I want to use that, and I want to use that, and I want to use cream bronzers. So I think what I'm going to do is potentially have a ColourPop shadow in it until I either hit pan, and then I will have a Jelly Much shadow in there for a number of uses, and likewise with the foundation, whatever. There's no really strict rules. Like, you can have a usage goal, a pan goal, or to finish a goal, or it's a rolling project pan anyway. It doesn't really matter. As long as you're using cream or liquid products and you're having a bit of fun, it's all good in the hood. So let us know if you'd like to join. I hope that you do, because it's so much fun. So I hope that you do, and don't forget to, if I don't have that spreadsheet down there, someone come at me. But yes, don't forget to put your bits and pieces in the spreadsheet if you do like to join. If not, just let me know in a comment and I'll put it in. So Instagram, YouTube, whatever it be, we'll put you in. And I know that some of you that watch don't have a channel or an Instagram and pan anyway, which that's how I started out as well. I was just panning all by my lonesome. So if that's what you want to do, feel free to do that, and maybe leave a comment and say if you're going to do it, because I'd be interested in seeing how you are doing. So 3 to 5 products, 3 to 5, doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, it depends on how much you have. Rolling the 10th of every month, Is that 10th? Yeah. 10th of every month starting January 10th. It's called Partners in Cream. It's going to be a hashtag Partners in Cream. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Talk to you next time.